Good afternoon, children. Welcome to the trigonometrical online class part 12, application of trigonometrical identities. We know sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Today, as promised, we will start with exercise 23.3. Now, in exercise 23.3, sum number 1, if sine theta is equal to 4 by 5, let us write the value of cosec theta by 1 by cot theta. There are two ways in doing. Now students, whichever way you will follow, it depends on you. Now sine theta means what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine theta is 4 by 5. Perpendicular is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. So here I have drawn a triangle ABC where AC is the perpendicular, BC is the base and AB is the hypotenuse. So just I have put the value. Perpendicular is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. Then what is base? Base is perpendicular square minus hypotenuse square, hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. That is AB square minus AC square. That is 25. We know what is hypotenuse, that is 5 square. And what is base? That is 4 square, that is 16. 25 minus 16, that is 9. BC square is equal to 9. Then what is BC? Root over of 9, 3. So from here, this triangle we got the base 3. So we know cosec theta. We have to find what is cosec theta and 1 plus cos theta. Cosec theta is 1 by sine theta. If sine theta is 4 by 5, then 1 by sine theta is just the opposite of it, that is 5 by 4. What is cot theta? Cot theta is 3 by 4. How? Cot is tan theta is perpendicular by base. And what is cot? Cot is base by perpendicular. Base by perpendicular is 3 by 4. So cosec theta by 1 by cot theta, that is equal to 5 by 4 divided by 1 plus 3 by 4. If you just do the multiplication, what we get? 5 by 4 divided by 7 by 4. 5 by 4 into 4 by 7. Cancel it, you will get 5 by 7. This is the answer. This is one procedure. Another method is, given sine theta is 4 by 5. Cosec theta is 1 by sine theta, that is 5 by 4. We know cosec theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Cot theta is equal to 3 4. Now cosec theta is just the opposite of sine theta, that is 5 by 4 square. 1 plus cot square. We know that cosec square theta is 1 plus cot square theta. We will apply this formula. So cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. 5 by 4 square is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. That is equal to 25 by 16 minus 1 cot square theta. So what is cot theta? Root over of 9 by 16, that is 3/4. So we got cot theta as 3 by 4. 1 plus cot theta is 1 plus 3 by 4, that is 7 by 4. Cosec theta divided by 1 plus cos theta is 5 by 4 into 4 by 7. If we cancel 4, we will get 5 by 7. So we got the answer 5 by 7. Thank you. We are doing sum number 2.